Racing just is started with Dandino. Break quickly to start, rushing about the years. It is Smart. Winner all too well is running by Darila. Apo, Price Dancer, Colonial Star, Charm Offensive, second less. While Camry is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down or going along for the first very Smart winner by about 4 lengths. All too well in second. Price Dancer is running by Daryl Dandino. Up in between horses. Colonial Star. Then comes Charm Offensive. Welcome Ray is still in last. Half mile distance. They traveled very Smart. Winner a Solid Light leads by about 8 lengths. All too well in second. Dandino moving up in between horses. Apo. Price Dancer is running by Daryl. Then next on line is Colonial Star. Charm Offensive. Welcome Ray is still in last. Another 4 turn very Smart. Winner leads by about 4 lengths. All too well now trying to get closer in second. Apo remains in third. Price Dancer comes next, then followed by Dandino. Moving up on the outside is Colonial Star as they swing for him. We have a Smart winner by about 3 lengths. All too well is on the outside. Garrett still is Smart winner, followed by All too well Apo. And finally, it's Smart winner. Second, close Apo, All too well. Then comes Price Dancer, Camry, Charm Offensive, Colonial Star, and Dandino.
Alright, number 3 is Smart winner, crossing the wire first. Banderang tapos, then masisigundo nga. Dikit between Apo and All too well, then Price Dancer. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 6.